So we visited Tinchuley few days back, and this was our homestay. This is Abiraj Homestay. This is the entrance, and the surrounding is quite good, surrounded with lots of tree plants and some other plants. Very beautiful property, and the atmosphere here is very pleasant. The people here are very nice. The view from here in is amazing, and if your luck is good, you can even see the Kanchenjunga from here. So now let's see our room. Our room was 114. Our room number was 114. So we had booked like 2 rooms. So in this room there were 2 beds. One was a single bed, and they provided us with blanket and pillows, and the other one is a double bed. They also had table with 2 tools beside the bed. So this is the double bed with blankets, and they had provided with a dressing table which had mirror and another table. So this is the second room we booked. I forgot the room number. It is on the same floor. The room is quite similar, just that it has one double bed only. Now coming to the food, we reached at our lunch time. So we were provided with rice, dal, egg curry, aloo bharta, aloo bhujia, and a mixed vegetable. They had an amazing achar, so the food was amazing. Plus the utensils were very different and very beautiful. Love the utensils. So this is the dining area where you have to come and eat. You can also get your food in your room. So this is the dining area. In the evening time, they provided with hot pot full of chicken pakora, and you can choose your tea, milk tea or raw tea, you can choose that. At night we ordered chicken with rice, and also we had roti, plus we had dal and bhujia as well. In the morning we get tea and biscuits served. After the tea we directly jump to the breakfast, which is mainly puri and aloo dum. This was my stay experience in Tinchuley Abhiraj Homestay. Other details are in the description.